Almaty Region, Karasay District, Shamalgan Village, Ushkonur, Secondary School Gymnasium, 5th grade, Russian class. Nauruzbayeva Ayzada Aybekovna, English lesson. Good morning, everyone. How are you today? I hope you are fine. Unit 5, Theme, Discovery, Education. Look at the exercise 2. Look at the pictures of Tubili and answer the questions. Посмотрите на картинки Тубили и ответьте на вопросы. Where is she? Где она? How old is she? Сколько ей? Where is she from? Откуда она? Давайте сначала посмотрим видео, потом будете отвечать на вопросы.
Tobile's school day. This is South Africa. Tobile Subizi lives here. This is Tobile. She's 14 years old. And this is her village. In the morning, Tobile walks to school. Her school is 5 kilometers from her home. It's a long walk. School starts at 8 o'clock. Every morning, Tobile and the other students sing the national song. It's a special song. It's got words from 5 different South African languages in it. This is Tobile's class. Their teacher tells them about a very important president in South Africa.
This is Nelson Mandela.
Today is Nelson Mandela's birthday. Tobile answers her teacher's questions in class. She really loves school. At midday, the students have lunch. The school makes lunch for 300 children. In the afternoon, they study Zulu history and culture. They learn traditional South African songs and dances. Tobile loves dancing. In the PE lesson, Tobile and her classmates play netball. Netball is similar to basketball. Tobile is very good at it. In the evening, Tobile does her homework. She writes in a notebook and reads notes from her class. She works fast because she always has a lot of homework. But she usually finishes in time. Good night, Tobile.
Exercise 4. Answer sentence true or false. Correct the false ones. Предложение true – правда, false – неправда. Да? Правда или неправда? Если неправда, то исправьте. То есть вы только что посмотрели видео, по видео делаем это упражнение. Правда или неправда? Exercise 5. Watch the video again and complete Tobile's profile. Посмотрите видео снова и заполните профиль Tobile, да? Здесь у нас есть профиль, вы должны его заполнить. Например, Tobile is 14 years old. Tobile 14 лет. She walks, дальше, kilometers to school every morning. Сами будете заполнять дальше. Exercise 8. Work with a partner. Compare your school day with Tobile's school day. Вы должны сравнить, как вы проводите день в школе и как проводит день в школе Tobile. Да? Например, how I get to school. Как я иду в школу, как она идет в школу, во сколько начинаются уроки у меня, во сколько начинаются уроки у нее. Exercise 9. Так, 9 упражнение. Вы должны описать свой день в школе. Okay, that's all for today. The lesson is over. Goodbye, children.